Welcome to Dixie Quilters, and thank you for joining me today. This is my last day of my Memorial Day weekend holiday. Oh, it's been a wonderful break. I did a few things. I think I talked about it on my last video, but mostly stayed home and did some baking and saw some grandbabies, and that was fun. Fun. So today I'm talking about the month 7 Bear Paw block, and this is from Christmas Figs, and you can still find this book available, and it's from a block of the month a few years ago. But not only does it have this just gorgeous Christmassy colored Christmas fig, which you could do in any color scheme far as that goes, it also has table toppers, tree skirts, pillows, schoolhouse pillow, just really beautiful stuff. I don't know that I'd want to do peppermints and cream quilt because that's so many pinwheels. But that is a pretty quilt. And then here's one all of flying geese. Then a Christmas lilies wall hanging. That is pretty. I enjoyed doing the Christmas lily block. And then some table runners, very nice. Here's one with Christmas Tree Farm bed runner. So it looks like almost a menorah, but they're calling it a Christmas tree. And then here's one, the poinsettia trio table topper. Now I think we've already done that one as well, just the individual block. But I'm doing it in Marketplace by Heather Peterson. And recently, I think in the last 6 months, I went ahead and bought another yard of the darker raspberry color. And I think I got some more green at the same time because I was running out of my greens. But, and I believe I got this beautiful one too, because I'm running low on some of the plainer fabrics and the one with the pale background. But we'll use this beige if needed be. For instance, on this specific one, it calls for red polka dots and cream on cream polka dots. And I just did all of those in cream. And it looks nice. Yes, it could have been a little busier, but then I'm going to embroider these guys with this fabric, this one I have on hand. That'll go well. And then the next one that I'm going to be working on after this one is called Month 8, the Flying Geese block. Now we've got wonderful flying geese rulers. So I think I've got 4 different sizes and shapes of them that have come with different projects. So I think that'll be pretty straightforward. It's pretty much using a little bit of every green and a little bit of every red. So I've got 1, 2 greens, 3 greens. I don't know if I have any more greens in here. Let's see. No, it's pretty much just those 3 that I have. Yeah, so I'll be this green, the big pinwheels, and the, I thought I had a plain green. Where'd that go? Oh yes, here it is, this one. So we use these 3 greens. And then for the reds that says 1, 2, 3, 4 reds, I think I'll use peach, roses, and I do like this one for a big pop of color. We'll use those 3. That one's 4. Okay, well, we'll use this one. There, we'll do those 4 for the reds. And then it calls for 4 different creams, but I'm just going to use all basic cream. So that's what my choices are for this next one coming up. And I'll let you know about it when I get it done. And again, I'm going to make a point of getting these edges done. And I think I have edges on a green one from last time that I need to do on the lily block, but I don't have any green thread that even would be remotely similar. So I'll have to look around for that. Okay, well that's all for today. And you know, if you want a Christmas project, this is a beautiful thing. And they're not hard at all. It's just a matter of cutting and fitting, and then you get all these extra projects in the back. You see, this is, I think, when they're putting it together, it just means sashings with a 4-piece block there, and then these are all the different ones we're doing. And I'm on number 8, I think. Yeah. So I'm getting in there, I'm closing in. I may actually have this completed for Christmas. That's my estimated plan. Christmas 2025. Okay, check back with you later. Bye now.